The new bike will be founded on the SR150, be that as it may, on account of a littler power plant, will be a less expensive option. It's no concealed certainty that Piaggio will soon dispatch a 125cc variant of the famous Aprilia SR150 bike. However, while we were anticipating that it should occur at the 2018 Auto Expo, late reports propose that the bike may get presented sooner than anticipated. The SR125 bike was seen in dealerships as of late. Be that as it may, it was entirely well shrouded, on account of its hitting likeness with its senior kin. On the off chance that you investigate, in any case, you'll see there are just some unpretentious contrasts in the uniform. The front cook's garment and vest cowl pass up a great opportunity for dark stickers, and the SR150 sticker on the front cover is supplanted by SR125. The new bike was seen parading a shade of metallic blue. The seats are presently all dark, rather than the two-tone Conspire seen on the SR150. It will no doubt obtain its power plant from the Vespa SXL/VXL 125 bike. This 125cc air-cooled, single-chamber motor is relied upon to deliver the same 10.06 PS of energy and 10.06 Nm of torque mated to a CVT transmission. The Mark 14-inch wheels of the SR150 are likewise anticipated that would be conveyed forward. With the Aprilia SR150 valued at Rs69,000, ex-showroom, we are expecting a cost slice of Rs3,000 to 5,000 for the SR125 to have an edge in the inexorably focused 125cc bike fragment. It will go up against the Suzuki Access 125, which is estimated at Rs57,744, ex-showroom deli, and the Honda Graza, which retailed for Rs62,269, ex-showroom deli. The organization likewise presented another shading plan, the bigger SR150. Furthermore, it is presently accessible in green and blue shading alternatives for no extra cost. With the 2018 Auto Expo around the bend now, the Piaggio Assemble guarantees to have a bigger nearness this year. As per reports, we should see the Vespa Liberty make its introduction here. This bike includes a substantial 15-inch front haggle 14-inch raised wheel. Universally, it is controlled by a 125cc fuel-infused motor, however we may get the carbureted 125cc rendition for our business sectors. For all the bonehead on the Piaggio gathering in the up-and-coming 2018 Auto Expo, watch this space.